Hey guys, it's Poochie. I have done several videos on how to sell on WhatNot. The most popular ones are shipping, and I always get questions about how to change to a 4x6 shipping label. So I actually did a video on that. And then after that, I get comments on that video saying, it's coming out sideways. How do I switch it? So now I'm going to show you on my desktop computer how to switch your WhatNot labels so they don't come out sideways. So let's get into it. We are going to go to the Start menu on our desktop, okay? So Start menu, and then all this stuff comes up, right? I'm going to click on Settings, okay? Now I'm going to minimize my little face here, my not so little face, and then everything's going to come up, right? And I want to go to Printers and Scanners, okay? If you can't find it over here, I think you're going to find it on Bluetooth and Devices. I'm not sure. Anyway, get to Printers and Scanners, okay? And then you're going to see all your printers over here. Okay, that also includes fax on this computer. It includes fax, Microsoft to PDF, etc. And then you see down here, Rollo printer. So we're going to open that up. I'm going to move my head out of the way. Okay, now here's your Rollo printer. Our Rollo printer that we have on this computer is a wired one because we don't use wireless Rollo printers, because what I've heard about them, the reviews I've seen, they actually take longer to print. They get stuck. So we do a wired printer here. If we ever hit the road and do WhatNot shows from the road, we'll probably definitely have a wireless printer. But you go to Printing Preferences. Now you see here how it says orientation, page, order, etc. Open that up. Now, you want to make sure that your orientation is portrait, not landscape. Because look what happens on landscape. It prints sideways. So, you want to make sure that you have it set on portrait, okay? And then you apply it. I don't have to apply it because mine is already that. And then you click OK. And then you should be printing your WhatNot shipping labels correctly. They should be printing just fine and portrait as opposed to horizontal. Now, if you have already printed your labels, or if you've already gone to if you've already gone through the motions and have done the label, then you're not going to be able to do it. You have to set all your settings first. If you go to your account, okay, and let's see, selling shipments, okay, you should be able to, I'm not sure where it is, shipping profiles, shipments, shipping profiles, oh yeah, here we go. So, nope, go back. If you click on your emoji or whatever at the upper right of the page, okay, then you can go to shipments. It will, you need to make sure you're on selling, like here. Let me get out of the way again. You need to make sure you're on selling, and then shipments, okay? And then you see down here it says shipping label format, right? You need to make sure you're on 4x6, not 8.5 by 11. Okay, then you need to go in, like I said, to your settings menu, right? And then printing preferences, you select the printer, right? And then you, wait a minute, let me, Bluetooth and devices. Okay, so printers and scanners, right? Bluetooth and devices you can print on, then printers and scanners, and then you open up your Rollo printer, okay? And then you do printing preferences and make sure it's portrait. That's it. I mean, I kind of like gave you a lot of information there, so I'm sorry if the video is a little long. You know, people complain about that, but you're getting free help. So I do research and figure out ways to help WhatNot sellers all the time. We have a group called WhatNot Seller Support. Make sure you join that. It's a Facebook group, WhatNot Seller Support, and I help people regularly there. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it helps you, and we'll see you on the next one, guys. Bye.